Good morning, children. Okay, welcome to your science class. Okay, we are in the ending of your lesson now. Last class you have learnt about the movement of animals, their breathing organs. Okay, now today we will see about animals and its feeding habits. Okay, it is breathing, it is eating, it is walking. Yes or no? Now we will see what type animals, what kind of how they are eating. Okay, based on their eating habit, they are divided into three types. Okay, they are feeding habits. Okay, based on feeding habits, they are divided into three types. Okay, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Okay, now these okay, now there are three types of animals. Okay, one is herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. How we are dividing them like this? See, herbivores means plants which will eat, animals which will eat only plants. Animals which will eat only plants. Okay, like horse, cow, goat. Okay, they eat only plants. Yes. Okay, the plant eating animals are called herbivores. Okay, like goat, buffalo, donkey, cow. Okay, they will eat only plants. And what type of teeth they are having? They are having teeth, incisors. Okay, you see in your textbook it is given incisors. They are helpful for chewing and grinding. Okay, they are helpful for chewing and grinding. Next, meat. Carnivores. Carnivores are the animals which will eat only meat. Tiger, cheetah, lion, fox. What they eat only meat. No, they will not eat plants. They will eat only meat. They are called carnivores. They are called carnivores. Okay, they will have the teeth. Okay, to tear the meat. They will have the teeth. How very sharp teeth they will have to tear the meat. For this type, how they will have? They will have the teeth to cut and grind. Okay, this will have sharp teeth to tear the meat. Now, omnivorous. Plant eating, meat eating. What about omnivorous? Omnivorous are the animals which will eat both plants and meat. The animals which will eat both plants and meat. Okay, these type of animals will have teeth. Okay, say in both this for cutting, chewing, grinding, and for tearing, because they will eat meat. To eat meat, they have to tear the flesh. No, they will have sharp teeth, and to eat plants, they have to cut and eat. No, okay, with the teeth. You are eating apple, you will cut first with your teeth, and then you will chew. For cutting, incisors you will have. For cutting and eating, and for tearing, both the types. Here this type, both the type of teeth in these animals you will see. Okay. Who are omnivorous? We are omnivorous. Yes or no? We will eat plant products and also animal products. That means we will eat plants and also meat. Okay. And crow will eat plant foods and animal foods also. Okay. Now, see, take textbook page number 198. Okay, textbook page number 198. You will see keywords. Okay. See, we are having new terms, no? New terms are there. See in your textbook page number 198. I will read. This all you have to learn. This all you have to learn. Okay. First one, habitat, a place where animal lives. Second one, blubber, thick layer of fat under the skin. Hibernation means winter sleep. Deserts, hot and dry places with little or no rainfall. Scales, thin overlapping plates that protect the skin of some animals. Amphibian, animals which live and around water. Shell, hard, rigid, outer skeleton on the body of an animal. Predators, animals that hunt and eat other animals. Okay, predator means tiger, lion, they are predators. Cat, cat is attacking and eating rat now. They are predators. Spiracles, pores on an insect's body through which air enters. Flippers, organs that help an animal to swim. Who is having flippers? Penguin is having flippers. Herbivore, plant eating animal. See, now I explain, no? Carnivore, meat eating animal. Omnivore, animals that eat both plants and animals. Okay? These keywords you have to write in your homework book. Okay? Keywords. Keywords you have to write. Okay, this is your homework. What else I am writing? Don't ask me again and again. Listen carefully. Keywords and some more I will tell that you have to write and show to me. And now see page number 199. You are having last we will do question answers. Last we will do question answers. First we will finish the part B. Okay. Only part B we are doing today. Last we will do question answers. You will write keywords in your book. Homework. Okay. And next, see this box. Now write it. Okay. Now itself I will tell you. Write it. Page number 199. Here you are having animals. Animal covering uses. Okay. First bear is given. What you are having for bear? Fur. How is it useful? It will protect from cold climate. Snake. Okay. You have to see how they are working. Now first one is bear. Now what is its animal covering? Animal covering. See, take down as I am writing. What does it have? Fur. Next one, snake. What it is having? Scales. Yes or no? Next you are having tortoise. What it is having? Shell. Next, bird you are having. What does it have? As a covering feathers. Now, fur, how is it helping? It protects from cool. Yes or no? Keeps body warm. Scales, how they are useful? See, we will see. If you don't know, we will go back and we will see. Scales of snake. Not only snake, many animals are having scales. No, how they are useful? They are very hard and protect the animal from other animals. Okay, and they help keep moisture. Okay, to keep moisture. 2 points are there. You have to write 2 points in the box. You should be very sharp. Some are very slow. Everything teacher should give as spoon feeding. Like a small kid. We expect that. Okay, they protect the animal. Okay, to keep moisture in the body, okay, and to protect from other animals. I'll write neatly. To maintain moisture of the body, okay, of the body, okay, and to protect from other animals, okay, from other animals. Okay, next shell. Shell is a very hard substance. Now we have read tortoise having, snails are having, crabs are having. How is it useful? How is it useful? See below the same. It is there. It will gives shape. Okay. It will give shape, protection, and helps to hide from enemies. Okay. Now next one. Last, bird. Feathers, how to maintain body temperature, to fly. Yes. Helps to fly and maintain body temperature. Yes. Okay. Copy it. I have given shortly. Okay. You can write in brief also. Okay. If you are interested, you can write little more elaborate. Okay. Do it fast or take a snap and put it. Okay. We'll go to fill in the blanks. Okay, we'll go to fill in the blanks. I'm rubbing. See, fill in the blanks. Meanwhile, you read them. See, fill in the blanks. This is third bit now. Third bit. Fill in the blanks. See, as I am writing, write it directly in the textbook answers. Okay. First one, can write only answers. The thick layer, you see ma, the thick layer of fat present under the skin of some animals is called, first one answer is blubber. Second one, a long winter sleep is called hibernation. Write it. Third one, the breathing organs in fish are gills. Fourth one, penguins have flippers that help them swim. Flippers. Fifth one, insects breathe through pores in rachias called spiracles. Okay. Blubber, hibernation, gills, flippers, spiracles. Okay. Write them in the blanks. Next, if you have finished this, now go to the pictures. See ma, this picture page you take, and we will do that. Okay, a few pictures are given, and you have to see the picture and tell. First picture, this picture. Okay, what is this picture? It is a crane. Where is it living? Forest, desert, polar region, oceans, mountains, wetlands. You have to match it to wetlands. First one to wetlands. Okay, you will do it like this. Last, wetlands. And next one is mountain goat. We live in mountain goats. Tiger, forest. Tiger, this tiger is living in forest. This crane, wetlands. That means near the river, lakes and all. Okay. This is a goat, mountain goat. Okay. Now coming whale. Whale, oceans. Penguin, polar region. Camel, desert. Okay. See this and match it. Okay, now below that you see snake. Snake is a reptile. Okay, we'll write this on the board. Next bit you see, fifth bit ma, I am telling. Snake, frog, fish, fourth butterfly. Meanwhile you do it. If anything is wrong, you change. Okay. Bird, insect, reptile, amphibian, aquatic, animal. We will match it now. Snake is a reptile, frog is an amphibian, fish is an aquatic animal, butterfly is a insect, pigeon is a bird. Okay, this is your fifth bit matching. Okay. Keywords is your homework. Okay children, keywords is your homework. Listen carefully. You will be asking questions. You will not listen carefully. Page number 198. Okay. Keywords, homework. Okay. Page 198. This is your homework. Keywords you have to write as homework. Whatever I have given you, you will do it in textbook. Okay, this part B you will do in textbook. Homework only keywords. Homework only keywords. And whatever I have written, that you will write it only in textbook. Okay children, thank you.